Hi everyone! Let's get started without delay. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on SafeSearch in Google Chrome and explain what each option means. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Then go to Google Search by typing google.com. Now scroll down to the bottom right corner and click on Settings. After that, click on Search Settings. Here, you will see the SafeSearch filter options. Let me explain them. Filter. This is the recommended option. It blocks explicit content like inappropriate images, videos, and websites. For the best protection, choose Filter. Blur. This option blurs explicit images. However, text and links may still appear, so it's not fully protected. Off. This turns SafeSearch off. All types of content can appear, including explicit content. To stay safe, select Filter. Your settings will be saved automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.